Welcome to guys my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers easily from officially site, which is www.gigabyte.com. You can see. So first come to this website, then you can see right inside corner search button. You just search and then you type your model number which is you require the driver, then hit enter. Now your model number motherboard searching. Then guys click to product. Then guys click to here the model number motherboard. Then guys click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. If you have any, you can watch this video and install, because installations process same. Audio driver. So this is 165 size total. You just see, click to download. Okay, when you click to download, it will start downloading here. Wait few seconds to complete. So guys, this is, you can see here the install. Just double click to open and again open. This is extracted file. And require administrator access for, click to yes. Now this is ready to install. Define our audio. So guys, it will close automatically, means this is installed. Chipset driver. So try to first one. Okay, just click to download. So guys, you can see 96.5. This is chipset driver and it is downloaded. Just single click and double click to open. So this is that driver is extracted, so we can't install directly. You have to require the administrator rights, so you have to just double click it. Now I'm sure you like require this. Okay, and then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system, so it can easily install it. Okay, for chipset driver this is 100% required C++, otherwise it can't install it. Now it is done. Close means done. LAN driver. LAN driver, guys, you can see this is first latest. Just click to download. It is start downloaded, and it will complete. It will show here and just open. After that, I show you how to install the LAN driver of this motherboard. So it is completed. Just open. Then, guys, double click to open that LAN driver. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will take some time, might be because this is latest drivers to override to your old driver. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA driver. You can just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Here you can see here 195 MB. Okay, wait few seconds. Size, you guys, you can see here downloaded. Then double click to exe. Then, guys, click to yes. Now this is extracting data to your system. This is extracting. Now you can see this is graphic card. It is installing. Take some time, it will, because driver is so big size, heavy size, that's why uh, it will take some time to install. Okay, because it is installed, and then close it. Bluetooth driver. See, you can install Bluetooth driver and just click to download. It is started here. So, guys, Wi-Fi driver it is. So Bluetooth driver, this is installed. Just single click to open. You can see, just double click to give the administrator to instructions. Now you can see here it's come yes here, no pop-up. Yes. So this one. Now this is extract to your system. Then it will, yeah, now it is installations ready. So it will done means automatically close, like that. Okay, and close it. LAN, WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You can see here Wi-Fi, Intel Wi-Fi driver. click to download it. I already, it is done, and just open from the download and double click to exe. This is exe, you can see. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. It's wait few seconds. Right now it is this is actually installing, you can see in the background. Okay, it automatically close means this is installed.